Hey everyone, and welcome. My name is Patrick with CODAworx, and this is going to be a quick video tutorial showing you all how to upload a project to the site. After you log into CODAworx.com, this is our beautiful home screen page that you're going to be brought to, and conveniently here in the top right hand corner we see the upload project button. So that's what we're going to click to get right into this. We're just going to be saying that this is an example project. However, all the relevant information that you're going to be entering here is in the project overview section, such as the dimensions of your project, a brief overview, who the commissioner was, whether it's completed in process or in proposal process, and the goals. There's other optional information for you to include, such as information about the process or anything else that you deem relevant. The dimensions are also, of course, required. The artwork budget is optional, but this is very useful information for us to know. However, we are going to be moving straight on through this into the project gallery section. This is where the magic happens. So the featured image is the first image that catches everyone's eye on the project when they look at it either on your profile or in the project library. This is where we are going to upload our featured image. So it's just going to be a CODAworx logo for this. For example, make sure you have the photo credit listed and as well this little box ticked for the image uploader. You can upload up to 6 total images for each project, as you see here, additionally, and you can upload up to 2 videos for each project as well. So there's many assets that you can actually end up attaching to this project for you to upload it, and an additional feature for our upgraded members, even at the least expensive tier, is that upgraded members can link to projects on their profile when they are applying to work. So if the work that you're applying to asks for samples of your work, you can link straight to the project that you upload to your profile and to the project library on the site. So that's a great feature for our upgraded members. Anyway, moving into the location, we have accommodations for projects that are fixed in one location and projects that are installed all over the world. They get traveling exhibits, festivals, etc., as you see. This is asking for basic information about the project, such as when it was completed and where it is currently. So let's say, for simplicity's sake, that we finished our project here on New Year's Day of 2025. Let's say that, of course, we are in the United States of America, and CODAworx is situated in the beautiful city of Madison, Wisconsin. So we're going to be going with that for this section, but of course, if you have a temporary project, things are going to be different. You can change it. This next section is the team section. So this is where we can tag other CODAworx users who collaborated with us on the project. So for example, once more, let's say we have Matthew and Sebastian from CODAworx working with us on this project. And Matthew, of course, is our wonderful creative director. We're going to have him as that. Sebastian, let's say he was the art program assistant for this project as well. You can also change the order that people appear in here as well. This is a completely optional section though. You do not need to include anyone on the team here, but it is of course useful information for anyone looking at the project to have. The final section here is the categorization. So let's say, for example, this is kind of an architectural work. We put it in front of a library. We were looking to activate our space, and of course we are sustainable projects. So these are once more optional, but they help people find your project when they search by the tags. So when we go to this next screen here, we're going to be looking at the preview section, and this is where we can see all the information that we have typed and entered and described with our project. So we see here before on the last slide here, on the last screen, we saw the tag. So we tagged it as architecture, libraries, to activate our space, and it was a sustainability project. Before, of course, we entered the basic project information, like our client, where it is, how much it was budgeted for, and of course we see our team here in the bottom left-hand corner. We see Sebastian and Matthew. Of course, here we also see our featured image. But this is, once more, this is what everyone will see the first time they look at your image. If we added additional ones, we'd be able to view them in the gallery here, but that featured image is really what does it for the projects. So if we were to save it as a draft, we can see how the project would appear on our profile here. once we go here, we can either continue editing our project or we can publish it straight away. If we think that there's information that we wanted to change, we can go straight back and edit the project. We can jump back into any of these phases here, these previous ones. But since we are all set to go, we're going to go ahead and publish our project. Well, that's it. It's pretty straightforward stuff. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to contact us via the chat bot in the bottom left-hand corner, or if you have our previous contact information, we'd be happy to help you with any questions that you have. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more.